Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video I will talk about a Bangalore job seeker. So many people are struggling to search the job, or if you are not getting the job from your college. So again this is challenge for you. And the big challenge, the people who is from non CSE background, they don't know how to search the job and all. So don't worry about that. I had made many video on the Bangalore job seeker after you know if you are not getting the job and how to search the job, right? So this is the one challenge, you are not completely aware after completing the VTech what you have to do, right? So the people who is already there in college and now right now, like you are in the second year or third year or your fourth year, or you feel like you will not get the job, then how to get the job, right? So best place to you can go in the Bangalore, but nowadays there's almost companies hiring virtually, but most of the company also calling office nowadays days. So what is your strategy, how to start your search in search job in your in your IT sector, right? So that is the main problem. Even I already discussed all the things. So first of all, if we will not get the job, so don't worry, we having the many openings in the IT. Okay, so yeah, because nowadays days we having the many openings. And another challenge is, like, if you are a fresher, then you will get very less call, but whatever the calls you are getting, you having the proper preparation. So if you are in the college right now, right, so how to do the preparation, right? So your college, whatever you are learning in the college, that will not work in the industry if you are from core branch, and we having the very less seats in get also in the core branch. But again, you having the challenge. But until unless you have to you are searching the job, or if you are looking the job in the IT sector, right? So what is the strategy? So first thing, you have to prepare for your aptitude round. So first round is your aptitude round. 95% company will take your aptitude round, so please do the preparation. How to do the preparation? You have a what you have to do the preparation, right? So you have to learn aptitude, reasoning and English. So these things you have to take care. How to do the preparation? You can refer the RS Agarwal, or one more is there, I am forgetting the name. Arun Sharma book. Okay, so first, if you are beginner, so you can just go for the RS Agarwal and start to do the preparation. Second thing, you have to start your some programming language. So again, you are not aware of that, what you have to learn in the real time. Actually what happened, the whatever the syllabus right, in your college, that syllabus you only you put on your resume and you are not getting the call. That is the problem. Okay, why we are not getting the call? That is the problem. So you will clear your aptitude round, then you have to, because nowadays days company is not providing the training, they will provide you KT and you have to work on that. So if you will not placed in your college, then you have to learn the proper skill set. Okay, so what you guys are doing, just you are learning some basics of core Java, Python and C, and you are putting on the resume and you are just waiting for the call. And we having the very less call, right? So what happened in the real time, we having the many profile, we have to do the preparation for the profile. Either you can go for development, either you can go for testing, or either you can go for DevOps profile. So these three profiles are common. Without this profile, IT will not work. And again, we having the advanced level of the profile like data science and machine learning. So again, we having the more requirement, but data science and machine learning, almost company is looking for fresher. So first target, you can try to get the job as soon as possible. Okay, so your preparation must be a start from development, testing and DevOps. Okay, these three course you have to do a proper way, not you have to learn only the basics. Again, you will ask what is the development, what is the testing and what is the DevOps. So just in this video I'm not going to explore all the things. Might be coming video I will explain you in the depth. So what you have to do, you have to learn Java development or Python development or DevOps. Again, in the, if you will, I will speak the Python development. So not you have to learn only the basics. If you are doing any course, then you having the knowledge like that, you are able to implement the project, right? So again, I already made the video, what you have to learn for the Java development for complete syllabus, or if you are looking for the Python development, so I have already made the video on the what the syllabus you have to learn the Python development. And again, in DevOps profile, so again we having the list of the syllabus of the DevOps profile. Okay, you can search on the Google, you will get also, and where you have to learn. So nowadays days we having the many online resources, and you will get many videos on the YouTube channel. But still you are looking for where you have to learn, so please reach out to me, I will guide you where you have to learn for that. So now you having the skill for aptitude round, then you having the skill for technical round, right? So that will boost up your profile, your resume. Okay, if you are only simply basics learning the C and C++ or Java, that will not help you to get the job, and whatever you are learning in the college life, that will not work in the real time. Hope you will understand why are you not getting the call, because you don't have a proper skill set, right? But nowadays days our companies are looking for a skilled people or trained people, and but you are not. Okay, so don't worry if you are not getting the call. Please learn the proper skill set. Still you having the any doubt, please reach out to me, I will guide you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you are searching the job, if you having the any query, please reach out to me. And again, thank you so much. See you in the next video.